In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reassign a shift if someone calls in sick and how to split that shift. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have selected a location, then click Schedules. Once you arrive at your list of schedules, select the one you would like to work with. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Shifts. Once you arrive at your list of shifts, click on the shift you would like to swap employees for. Once you arrive at your shift pop-up window, click on Assign. I can choose to assign this to someone else. I can add reasons for why I changed this employee. I can click this arrow and select either this employee wasn't necessary or they were ill or any other options that you have. Maybe this employee called in sick to work. If they left early or something, I can click on this arrow and select why they had leave. So I'll scroll down and choose sick leave. I can choose clear if I want to clear all of this. TeamWork 5 will make sure that I do want to clear the assignment. If I don't, I'll hit cancel. I do, so I'll choose OK. And now Allison's information has been taken off of the top of this shift. I can choose someone else to fill this shift with. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to do that. Again, I'll hit OK. And now that employee has been assigned to that shift. I can also split shifts from this menu. If I click on Split, I can choose to split this shift into 3 parts. Let's say that Allison did leave early because she was sick. I can choose to split this shift at, let's say, 3 o'clock. She worked for 2 hours. So now that shift is split in half. Maybe I had another employee stay a little bit longer and then someone else came in to cover. So I can actually split this shift again, so it'll be split into 3 pieces. I can click this button and choose to split it later than the first split. Let's say 5. If I like these changes, I will hit save. If I don't, I could hit close. I'll go ahead and choose save. A little green save bar has appeared next to the save button, letting me know that that information has been saved. To exit out of this, choose close. And that's how you can switch employees on a shift when someone calls in sick and split that shift. Check out the next video to learn how to view the history of a shift.